Hi everyone! This is Nurse Eka sharing about my challenges, struggles, learnings, and everything about life here in the United States as a Filipino nurse. If you enjoyed my video about how nurses get paid here, today let's talk about where that salary really goes. USRNs. Let's dive into the reality of how much we really spend here in the US as compared to our salary. Okay, top 1 priority for expenses is housing. So kung here, nakatira kami sa apartment, that's 2 bedroom kasi 4 kami, and that is 1,400 a month. Second on our list is the car. And yes, dito sa Missouri, specifically dito sa area namin, hindi masyadong malawak yung public transport. So, kailangan namin ng car going to work and going to grocery, or kung lalabas kayo, kailangan meron kayong car. So, yung unang car namin is 5-seater lang, sakto lang para sa amin 4. And ang monthly payment namin dyan is for our supplies like food, water, meat, veggies, anything, mga snacks, we usually spend 1,000 monthly for that. Okay, third expenses are the utilities. Yung electricity, water, sewage, garbage. So, lahat yan dito ay binabayaran yan monthly. Kaya, ang monthly namin for that ay so, next would be our phone lines, and very important kasi yung communications between us and the kids as well. So, they also have their own phone lines. And our monthly that is for text, calls, and unlimited internet. Next is, syempre, pag may kotse, merong gas para magamit mo naman yung kotse mo. So, dati, isa lang yung car namin, we usually spend $24 in a week. So, that would be 24 times 4 is, yan yung monthly namin for the 2 of us. Our home internet is $60 per month. So, kailangan mo ng home internet para ikabit mo sa smart TV, or kung may mga CCTV ka, kailangan connected din sa internet para na-view mo online yung bahay mo. And here in the US, halos lahat naka-insured. So, if you are living in an apartment, you have to have a renter's insurance, and that is $18 per hour sa amin. And we have our car insurance, that is $150. Nung nag-start pa lang kami dito, $150 per month. And next is optional lang naman to guys, Netflix. Kasi syempre, kapag off mo, since 3 days lang kami pumapasok usually, pag off mo at ayaw mo namang gumastos sa labas, manood ka na lang ng TV, manood ka na lang ng movie sa bahay, yung Netflix is $16 per month. And that is the quick breakdown of our expenses here in the US. Now, let's check and compare it with a 36-hour schedule salary of nurses. May magkakasya pa ba? May matitira pa ba? Magkano ang matitira? Let's say you have a net income of 4,500 in a month net, and then your expenses is 3,750. Ang matitira na lang sa'yo after that ay $750. And that's it guys, that is our basic expenses here as a family of 4 in Missouri. So it can differ, depende yan sa state kung saan ka nagwo-work, and depende rin siya of course sa expenses nyo. So wala pa yung travel, wala pang savings, wala pa yung padala sa Pilipinas at pa Starbucks. So kung tatanungin nyo ko, Nurse Eka, paano mo na pagkakasya yung sahod mo? Well, overtime is the key. Para lang naman yan sa akin, no? Thank you for watching. I hope you like, share, and follow for more. Pag-usapan natin ang mga reality ng buhay dito sa US as a Filipino nurse. Bye!